What if I told you that scientists can predict how long you'll live just by watching you walk across a room? Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's true. Every single step you take triggers a cascade of hundreds of biological events, transforming your body and brain in ways you can barely imagine. This isn't just movement, it's a fundamental code for life itself.
Right now, there's a simple everyday action that experts are calling one of the most powerful biomarkers in medicine. It's your walking speed. Go too slow, and your risk of all-cause mortality skyrockets. But pick up the pace, and you literally add years to your life. The difference between a slow stroll and a brisk walk isn't just physical. It's a direct window into your entire health system.
But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. As you walk, your foot acts like a hydraulic pump, storing and releasing energy. Your calf muscle, often called your second heart, actively pumps blood back to your core. And your brain? It literally starts growing new cells, fueled by a powerful fertilizer released with every step. These aren't just minor side effects, they're fundamental re-engineering projects happening inside you.
In the next few minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain on the incredible, unseen symphony that is walking. You're about to discover how humans became the greatest endurance walkers on Earth, how walking literally grows your memory center by 2% a year, and why a simple 15-minute stroll after a meal can be a game-changer for your health. Prepare to see walking not as a chore, but as a superpower.
Let's start with the basics. How do we even move? Walking is a controlled fall, a marvel of physics called the inverted pendulum. Think of it like this. Your body vaults over your stance leg, which acts as the pivot point. With each step, you're constantly exchanging potential energy, height, for kinetic energy, motion, and back again. This ingenious mechanism allows us to walk with astonishing efficiency, recycling energy instead of constantly burning it. It's why humans are 50% more energy efficient than any quadrupedal ape, able to walk for hours while chimps tire quickly.
Now let's zoom in on your foot. That arch isn't just for looks, it's a sophisticated spring and hydraulic pump. As your heel strikes and your weight shifts, your arch compresses, storing elastic energy like a coiled spring. Then, as you push off, that stored energy is released, propelling you forward with minimal muscle effort. This foot spring effect is a biomechanical superpower. And right above it, your calf muscle, specifically the soleus, acts as a critical second heart. With every step, as your calf muscles contract, they squeeze the deep veins, pumping deoxygenated blood back up to your actual heart. Without this action, blood would pool in your lower legs, making you feel sluggish and impacting circulation throughout your entire body. It's a vital, often overlooked circulatory boost. Your brain, that incredible 3-pound universe, absolutely thrives on walking. When you walk, your muscles release a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as Miracle-Gro for your neurons. It's a powerful growth factor that helps existing brain cells survive, encourages new ones to grow, and strengthens the connections between them. This process is called neurogenesis. Studies show that regular walking can literally grow your hippocampus, the brain's memory and learning center, by about 2% per year, reversing age-related shrinkage. Yes, walking makes your brain physically bigger and better at remembering things. And here's another twist. Walking boosts creative thinking by a whopping 60%, even if you're just on a treadmill. It's not the scenery, it's the movement. Beyond your brain, walking has profound metabolic effects. When your muscles contract during walking, they activate a protein called GLUT4, which pulls glucose directly from your bloodstream into your cells. This is crucial because it happens independent of insulin, meaning your body becomes more efficient at managing blood sugar. This is why a simple 15-minute walk after meals can cut blood sugar spikes by 22 to 30%, a game changer for diabetes prevention and management, even for non-diabetics. But wait, there's more. Your brain has its own waste disposal system, the glymphatic system, which clears out toxic proteins like amyloid beta and tau, implicated in Alzheimer's. While research is ongoing, there's strong evidence that physical activity, especially walking, enhances this critical brain cleansing process. Think of it like a gentle flush for your brain's sewer system. Walking doesn't just benefit your soft tissues, it builds a stronger skeletal system too. Every step you take generates ground reaction forces of 1 to 1.5 times your body weight. These forces aren't just absorbed, they stimulate your bones. They activate osteoblasts, the cells responsible for building new bone tissue. Regular walking is a powerful defense against osteoporosis, keeping your bones dense and resilient. And speaking of pumping systems, did you know your lymphatic system, which is crucial for immune function and waste removal, has no central pump like your heart? It relies entirely on muscle contraction and movement. When you walk, your muscles act as a pump, flushing lymph fluid throughout your body, boosting your immune surveillance and clearing cellular waste. A sedentary lifestyle literally starves your lymphatic system of its primary driver.
Humans didn't just evolve to walk. We evolved to be the greatest endurance walkers on the planet. The persistence hunting theory suggests our ancestors didn't just hunt with spears, they hunted by outwalking their prey. For hours, under the scorching sun, they'd simply follow an animal until it collapsed from exhaustion. Our unique ability to sweat, our long Achilles tendons, our efficient gait, all these adaptations made us perfect for this. Our modern sedentary lives are a dramatic mismatch for the 10 to 20 miles per day our bodies were designed for. Your body still expects that level of movement, that primal challenge. It's written into your DNA.
Now, let's bust a common myth, the 10,000 steps per day target. While good-intentioned, it was largely a marketing gimmick from 1960s Japan. You don't need to hit an arbitrary, daunting number to reap massive rewards. Every step counts, and consistent, moderate effort is what truly transforms your health. Even short walking micro-breaks, just 2 to 3 minutes of walking every half hour of sitting, can provide measurable metabolic benefits. So whether it's a dedicated walk or just moving more throughout your day, your body will thank you.
So the next time you put one foot in front of the other, remember, you're not just moving from point A to point B, you're activating hidden pumps, fertilizing your brain, flushing out waste, strengthening your bones, and tapping into an ancient superpower that defines our very humanity. Walking isn't just exercise, it's a fundamental biological imperative, a daily miracle we often take for granted. Go for a walk and unlock the incredible potential within you. Your body was built for this.